Bins is a girl. What is walad? Walad is man, boy. No, yes, no, Miss TP. I know more and more Arabic. Oh, brother. Oh, walad is brother. Okay. And I know how to count in Arabic. Sa, sita, sabaa, tamanya, tis'a, asharo. Ana, ana araf sa what is